In the digital age, the struggle between humanity and artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a focal point of our times. Imagine a vast arena where the human mind, with its creativity, emotions, and imperfections, faces off against the precision, efficiency, and strength of a machine powered by algorithms and data. This clash raises important questions about our identity and the future of civilization, setting the stage for a narrative as compelling as any epic tale. The first act of this conflict illustrates the undeniable advantages AI offers. Picture the relentless speed at which AI processes information, sifting through oceans of data with ease. Where a human might take hours or even days to analyze vast sets of information, AI accomplishes it in mere seconds. The transformations to industries, from healthcare to finance, are profound. AI diagnoses diseases by examining medical images faster and with greater accuracy than seasoned doctors. The sheer potential of AI fuels a sense of wonder about a future where human limitations are transcended and challenges are met with unprecedented solutions. However, as we delve deeper into this narrative, the limitations of AI become apparent. Visualize the essence of human emotion, creativity, and moral judgment, elements that machines simply cannot replicate. The artist pouring their soul into a canvas, the writer crafting a story infused with personal experience, or the empathetic caregiver who offers comfort and understanding in times of need. These are the realms where AI falters. The question arises, can a machine truly comprehend the intricacies of the human condition? Can it feel joy or pain or make ethical decisions that could drastically alter lives? In this reflection, the value of human intuition and empathy emerges as irreplaceable qualities that AI cannot replicate, challenging the narrative that technology is the ultimate answer to every problem. As the tale unfolds, the boundary between man and machine becomes increasingly blurred. While AI assists in enhancing human capabilities, augmenting decision-making, optimizing task efficiency, and even predicting trends, the human element remains vital in guiding these technologies. The resolution lies not in a battle for dominance, but rather in a partnership, where humans and AI coalesce to forge a future that values both innovation and the rich tapestry of human experience. The battle between man and AI pivots from conflict to collaboration, opening up new possibilities for progress and coexistence, ultimately redefining what it means to be human in an age dominated by machines.